Hello students. So today we are going to take fifth class on rational number. What is that topic today? Given two rational numbers, you need to find out multiple rational numbers. So if two rational numbers are given, you may be asked to find out 1, 2, 3, whatever it is, so number of rational numbers in between. So how to do that? So insert rational numbers between two given rational numbers, right? So there is a trick about it. Okay, let's see. So now what are the steps? Step 1 is express both rational number with common denominator. Look into the underlined part, common denominator. If the denominators are not common for two given rational numbers, let's say you have been given two rational numbers 3 and 4. Both are natural numbers and all natural numbers are rational number. But you can express easily 3 equals to 3 by 1 and 4 equals to 4 by 1. So here the denominators are already same, equal. So you don't need to do anything in as per step 1. But if the rational numbers are given, let's say 2 by 5 and 3 by 7, and you are asked to find out rational numbers, it could be 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. So you need to find out rational numbers between these two. Here the denominators are not same. So to make the denominators same, equal, what you need to do? As you know, as per the fraction, you have learned in your earlier class, even in the rational number in my earlier video also, where you need to find out the greatest and smallest number or ascending descending order of rational number. There also we have done. So simple, you need to make LCM of both of these denominators. What is the LCM? The LCM is 35. So you need to make 35 as the denominator for both the rational numbers. So what you can say, 2 by 5 equals to, you multiply with 7 both numerator and denominator, so it will be 14 by 35. And what about 3 by 7? 3 by 7 will be 3 by 7. You need to multiply 5 with 5 both numerator and denominator. It will be 15 by 35. So that is your task 1. Step 1 is you need to express both rational number with common denominator, right? If it is not so, if it is there already, you don't have any action item for as per step 1. Now in the step 2, what is said? Step 2, you just mark the words, mark the underline part. Find equivalent rational number or fraction of both the given rational number by multiplying with n plus 1 if you are asked to find n rational numbers in between. What does it mean? It means that, let's say 3 and 4, two rational numbers are given. Okay, you need to find out 3 numbers in between, 3 numbers, that means n equals to 3. Just understand, if there are 2 points 3 and 4 and you need to find out 3 points in between, 1, 2, 3, that means you need to divide this section with 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So whatever number you will be asked to find out, you need to divide this area with n plus 1. If n number n equals to 2, it will be n plus 2 plus 1, 3. If you are asked to find out two different rational numbers in between, then the number of division will be 3, 2 plus 1, 3. So that means what you need to do, let's say 3 and 4, these two are rational numbers. You need to find out, let's say n equals to 3. 3 rational numbers in between 3 and 4. What you will do? So you need to make equivalent fraction by multiplying with n plus 1, because the number of points plus 1 will be the number of division. So what you will do? 3, make equivalent fraction, you need to multiply with n plus 1 equals to 4. That means 3 into 4 by 1 into 4 equals to 12 by 4. What will you do for the next rational number? 4 equals to 4 by 1. That means you will multiply with 4 into 4 plus 1 into 4 equals to 16 by 4. So now 12 by 4 is the equivalent fraction of 3, and you have multiplied with 4 where n equals to 3, therefore n plus 1 equals to 4. You need to multiply with that many number. So 12 by 4 and 16 by 4. These are the 2 points. You need to find out three different rational numbers. So now what you can say, the rational numbers will be in between 12 by 4 and 16 by 4. So one will be 13 by 4, one will be 14 by 4, and another will be 15 by 4. Got it? So this is the method you need to follow while you will be asked to find out rational numbers in between two given rational numbers. Right? I will make now another example. You need to find out 5 rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 7 by 8. 5 rational numbers. You need to find 5 rational numbers in between. So first you check step 1, express both rational number with common denominator if it is not so, right? So 4 and 8. So what you need to do? 4 and 8, LCM is 8, right? So LCM is equals to 8. So how will you express 3 by 4? You will express 3 by 4 equals to 3 into 2 by 4 into 2, the denominator, that is 6 by 8. Now 7 by 8, it is already there, 7 by 8. So what are the 2 points now? 6 by 8 and 7 by 8. You need to find out 6 by 8 and 7 by 8. Now you are being asked to find out 5 rational numbers. Therefore now you come to step 2. So what will be how we will make the equivalent fraction? You will make the equivalent fraction 6 by 8. You multiply with 5 plus 1. N equals to 5. So n plus 1 equals to 6. That means you will multiply with 6, both the numerator and denominator. 6 into 6 by 8 into 6 equals to 36 by 48. Another number is 7 by 8. 7 by 8. Here also what you will do? 7 into 6 by 8 into 6 equals to 42 by 48. So now what are the numbers? You have one number that is 36 by 48 and you have another number that is 42 by 48. So what will be the 5 in between numbers? 36 by 48, after that 37 by 48. Next 38 by 48. Next 39 by 48. Next 40 by 48 and next 41 by 48. Got it? Insert 7 rational numbers in between 3 by 4 and 5 by 9. Insert 7 rational numbers in between 3 by 4 and 5 by 9. Now what was our step 1? Step 1 was check whether the denominators are same. No, the denominators are not same. Then you need to make common denominator. So 3 by what you need to do? You need to make LCM. So LCM of 4 and 9 equals to 36. So now you can say 3 by 4 equals to 3 by 4. You need to make 36 as the denominator. 4 into 9, 3 into 9. You can multiply with same number, both numerator and denominator. 27 by 36. Another rational number is 5 by 9. So here what you need to do, 5 by 9 multiply with 4, both numerator and denominator. So it will be 20 by 36. Now second point, 7 rational numbers. That means you need to make equivalent fraction by multiplying with 7 plus 1. So n equals to 7. So n plus 1 equals to 8. Now you multiply. So 27 by 36, 8, and here also it is 8. So it is 7 8 is 56, 8 2 is 16 plus 5 2 1 6. Okay, and here it is 36 into 8, 6 8 is 48, 3 8 is 24 plus 4 288. So 216 by 288. And next is it is 27 by 36. Another one is 20 by 36. 20 by 36 equals to 20 into 8 by 36 into 8 equals to 160 by 288. So now we will find out. ভুল হলো মনে হচ্ছে, তো বড় না মনে লাগে, নেবো না, এইটা নেবো না। দাঁড়া, now another example we are going to do. Insert 6 rational numbers between 5 by 6 and 8 by 9. So what was our step number 1? Step number 1 was you need to check the denominator. 6 and 9, these two are not equal. So what you need to do? You need to make the LCM. So what is the LCM? LCM equals to 6 and 9 LCM is 3 2 is 6, 3 9, 3 into 2 into 3, 18. So LCM is 3 into 2 into 3. So LCM equals to 18. So now you need to express 5 by 6 with this denominator. 5 by 6 into 3, 5 into 3 equals to 15 by 18. Another one is 8 by 9. 8 by 9 equals to 8 by 9 into 2, you need to multiply with 2 to make denominator 18, 16 by 18. Okay, we have covered step number 1. What was the step number 2? Step number 2 is how many rational numbers you are asked to find out. You are asked to find out in between rational numbers 6. That means n equals to 6. That means n plus 1 equals to 7. So what you need to do? Now you need to make equivalent fraction of these two rational number by multiplying with 7 both numerator and denominator. So 15 by 18 equals to 15 into 7 by 18 into 7. So it is 15 sevens are 105, 18 sevens are 126. Another number is 16 by 18. So 15 by 18, 16 by 18. So 16 by 18 equals to 16, 18. 18 into 7, 16 into 7, 126, and numerator 7 16s are 102, 112. Okay, now you need to find out 6 rational numbers between these two. Very simple. You start from 100. Which one is the lower one? This one is the lower one. You start from here. So first number is 105 by 126 and last number is 112, 126. So you go with increasing order. 105, 126. That means next number will be 106, 126. Next is 107 1 by 126. Next is 108 by 126. Next is 109 by 126. Next is 110 by 126. Next is 111 by 126. So now how many? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have found 6 in between rational numbers between 5 by 6 and 8 by 9. That's it. Got it? I hope you understood. So just these 2 steps you need to remember. Okay, you need to make the common denominator if it is not so, and then you need to make equivalent fraction by multiplying both the numerator and denominator with n plus 1, where n is the number of in between rational numbers you need to find out. You need to, and I have explained why you need to multiply with n plus 1, because if 6 rational numbers you need to find out, you need to divide the section between 5 by 6 and 8 by 9 with 7 division. Okay. So if you have liked this video, please click on like button, and if you want to have this kind of video again and again, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.